Do you struggle to create a logo for your business or project? Are you tired of spending hours brainstorming, sketching, and editing only to end up with a mediocre design? Introducing MidJourney Logo Generating, the innovative logo maker that will help you make amazing logos quickly and easily. With MidJourney Logo Generating, you can choose from a wide range of templates, icons, and fonts, and customize them to create a logo that perfectly represents your brand. You don't need any design skills or experience. Our intuitive interface and smart algorithms will guide you through the process. And the best part? You can get your logo in minutes, not days or weeks. No more waiting for a designer to get back to you or going back and forth with revisions. With MidJourney Logo Generating, you can have a professional-looking logo that you'll love in no time. So why wait? Sign up for MidJourney Logo Generating today and start creating your amazing logos quickly and effortlessly. Your brand deserves nothing less. The first step, type a /imagine prompt, then think about what kind of logo we want to make. I will try to make a simple logo. Okay, let's try. I will enter the word create a mascot for fashion shop. Simple, vector art, flat design. Wow, it's very fast and easy. Only a few seconds to make a logo design. So fun. MidJourney is amazing and anyone can do it. Don't forget to set the settings in MidJourney to get good generative art results. I will change some settings here. So let's do an experiment. Type the / again, imagine prompt, copy the prompt, then paste it. I will try to change some words like coffee and white background. Okay, let's wait for the result. It's amazing, just changing a few words can be a great digital masterpiece. Looks cute and adorable. I will try to upscale the resulting image to look more detailed. We will try to make a different logo for a fashion product. I wrote something like a simple vector logo design for a fashion company called Beauty, Fashion, and Flat, then hit enter. And once again, MidJourney showed some great digital work. It will take a very long time if we make a logo design manually. It can even take days because we run out of ideas. So what do you think? MidJourney is dangerous or has a positive impact on unlimited creativity? Let's make it one more time. This time, make a logo with only one letter, whether it will work or not. I typed the letter C logo sans serif, flat vector art, then stripe, no background. Looks good for this one result. I'll try to make another variation, click V4, and remix the variation, then add the word futuristic, click submit. And wait for the results, then compare the results, which one is better. Thank you for watching. I hope this can be an inspiration and support this channel so that it continues to progress. Click like, comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.